welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Hello children, I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from MCGM Virtual Training Center. How are you all? Children, now I am going to show you one picture, and I am very sure that you will be very happy to see that. And within a moment you will recognize the picture. Let's see. Oh, who is this? See, this is the cartoon character, or you can say alien from one of the movie. And I know that you all must have watched this movie and you know the name of this character. So children, you all like to watch cartoons on television, or you like to watch movies which have cartoons. In today's session, we are going to learn a story about such cartoon. See, we all live on the earth. This is earth. This is a planet. We all live here. But in our solar system, apart from earth, there are many planets who rotates around the sun. You can see there is a Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Saturn and other planets. Here you can see there is a red planet. Do you know the name of this red planet? You might have learnt it in geography. Let's see which this planet is. So this is that red planet. Its name is Mars. Nowadays scientists are doing research. They think that like Earth, there is an atmosphere on Mars too. So there are human beings on Earth. So there might be living beings on Mars too. So they are doing research on this. आता शास्त्रज्ञांना असं वाटतंय की जसं पृथ्वीवर वातावरण असतं तसं मंगळावर सुद्धा वातावरण असावं आणि तिथे आपल्यासारखं काही प्रमाणात ऑक्सिजन असावा आणि तिथे सुद्धा आपल्यासारखे काही जीव किंवा माणसं राहत असावी. त्यांना आपण एलियन्स असं म्हणतो. तर अशाच एका एलियनची गोष्ट आज आपण शिकणार आहोत किंवा ऐकणार आहोत. तर लेट्स मूव्ह टू द टुडेज स्टोरी. You can see there a flying saucer is coming towards the earth. Now who is there in that flying saucer and why it is coming to the earth, we will learn in today's story. So the name of our story is Newjo's Project. Project, you know we all do project in our schools, Prakalpa. So who is this Newjo and why has he come on the earth? We will see in this story. So Newjo's flying saucer is coming towards the earth. So you can see here it has come down, 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 down. Where has it come? Oh, it has come to the Akshay's courtyard. So when Akshay sees this, he comes running out and he is very surprised with this. So he says, "Oh, what is this strange light? What do I see?" He can't believe on his eyes and he is very surprised to see such thing in his courtyard. So someone comes out from that flying saucer and he introduced himself to Akshay. "Hello, I am Newjo from the planet Mars." What did he say? "Hello, I am Newjo from the planet Mars." His name is Newjo. Akshay is, first of all, he is very surprised, but still he introduced himself to the Newjo. He says, "Hello, I am Akshay. I can't believe my eyes. Are you real?" अक्षयला खरंच वाटत नाहीये की आपल्या अंगणामध्ये असं कोणीतरी आलंय. तो त्याला काय विचारतो? आर यू रियल? तू खरा खरा आहे का? आर यू रियल? But Nujo is bit surprised now. He doesn't understand the question of Akshay. He asks Akshay, what do you mean by real? Because he doesn't know some of our words. तो त्याला विचारतो रिअल म्हणजे काय? What do you mean by real? But then he says, okay, it's okay. Then he tells Akshay why has he come on the earth. तो पृथ्वीवर का आलाय ते तो अक्षयला सांगतो. Let's see the reason why has he come on the earth. He says that I am here on my school project to study human body parts. I need help. He speaks very less word. He says, I am here on my school project. Even he goes to the school on the Mars and he has project like our school project. So he says, I am here on my school project, and what is the topic of his school project? To study human body parts. See, their body parts are different than us. He is an alien, so he doesn't have all those body parts which we have. So he came on the earth to study the human body parts, and he needs Akshay's help. When Akshay hears that, then he says, okay, this is very easy. Oh, you too have projects. I'll help you. I have many charts, models, books, and a tablet. Akshay has many things. He has many things, charts, models, books, and tablets. So he shows all these things to the Nujo. Then Nujo is very happy. Then Akshay takes him to his home, and there he has a model of human body. Here Akshay introduces human body parts to the Nujo. We will read them one by one. What Akshay introduced to Nujo. This is the head of the human, ear, lips, cheek, elbow, forearm, hand, knee, thigh, and foot. So Akshay introduces some of the body parts of human body. But still Nujo wants to learn more about it. Now we know all these body parts, but Nujo is very new to all these words. So he asked Akshay to explain more thoroughly. तो अक्षयला सांगतो मला अजून सांग ना बॉडी पार्ट्स कोणते आहेत. So Akshay shows him one more model and gives more details about the human body part. So Akshay has one more model and he introduces all the body parts one by one to Nujo. He starts with head, then forehead, the part where the arrow is shown, kapal in Marathi we call, ear, tooth, mouth, hair, eye, nose, neck, chest, stomach, hand, knee, ankle, shoulders, elbow, arm, fingers of hands, leg, and foot. So now almost he has shown all the body parts to the Nujo and he explained the names of those body parts. But still Akshay gives him more information that how we can work with these body parts. So here Akshay has a tablet, and on his tablet he shows a model of the movement of human body parts. तो आपल्या शरीराबद्दल आणखीन काही माहिती देतो न्यूजोला. बघा तो काय सांगतो. He shows the elbow joint. See here the joint of our arm and forearm. So that is the elbow joint. And then he explain its work. Then he shows some more movements we can do with our body. He says that we can fold our legs, we can fold our hands, we can fold our fingers so that we can write, we can pick up the things, we can walk, we can jump, we can dance, and so on. And at the same time, Akshay tells him that we can move our hand in shoulder joint, and that too it can turn it in 360 degree. So to explain this, he shows a clip of cricket on his tablet to the new Joe. How the bowler is throwing the ball, and while throwing ball his shoulder moves in 360 degree. बॉलिंग करताना बघा बॉलरचा हात 360 डिग्री मध्ये 360 अंशामध्ये कसा फिरतो. मीन्स अवर शोल्डर जॉईंट कॅन टर्न इंटू 360 डिग्री. ही पण जास्तीची माहिती तो न्यूजोला देतो. And while listening all this information from Akshay, his buzzer starts ringing. So he says, "Oh, my time on earth is up. I must go. It's time to return back to the Mars." So he does bye-bye to the Akshay and sits in his flying saucer. And he promises Akshay that he will be back soon with new project. So even Akshay says bye to him and asks him to come again, and then Nujo says bye bye and he moves towards the Mars. So that's all for today. See you next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice time. Zwing.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.